Hi everyone, this is a video on how to make your citations on Easybib. So the reason why we use citations and why we have to cite our sources is it's very simple. You want to make sure that you give credit to the ideas of others. Whenever you're writing an essay and you're quoting from another source, you're going to want to give credit to the authors that you're quoting from. Another reason why you want to cite your sources is so that you can leave a paper trail. What that means is that if a teacher or a professor or maybe just one of your readers want to find out more about what you're writing about, they can just go to your sources and kind of see where you got that information from. And that will allow them to go and look at the source material. They can also create their own opinions and formulate their own opinions from your sources, and maybe even fact check you. So what you're going to want to do is have some of those documents ready that you want to source, especially the links that you got them from, or the physical book if you are citing a book. For the revolutionary essay, you have a few documents that you're choosing from, so you probably want to take out the documents that you are writing your essay on. And you should have selected your documents by now. So I've got some of them pulled up, the excerpt from the Lauda Equino, also got the Declaration of Independence, and you have paper handouts for these, but I have the electronic copy. So I also have the Phyllis Wheatley poetry and also the speech to the Virginia Convention. All of these have the links to them somewhere on the side or under or at the bottom of the pages, things like that. If you look on Google Classroom, I have not published this yet, but it will be published by the time you watch this video. You will see the links to sources that you may be choosing from, and also links to other sources that you may be interested in as well. You only have to put in your bibliography the documents that you're actually using. So the first step you want to do is take a look at the handout that I have given you by now, which is the Easybib Quick Start Guide. All right. And according to this guide, the first thing you're going to do is go to easybib.com. It's going to type that in. Once you've got there, you're going to go ahead and you don't need to sign up anymore. You just click login. When you log in, you are going to click sign in with Easybib EDU. You're going to click login with Google. And then you're going to find your account with Chatham County Schools. And when you've gotten there, you're going to click new project. And for the project name, you can just put Revolutionary Essay, Rev Essay for short. You don't need to change anything here. Just click Create. You're going to click Bibliography underneath the project that you just made. And you're going to see a bunch of options. So if you are citing a book, you're going to want to click the Book tab. But for all of the documents that you're using, I got them from the internet, so you're going to be citing the website. And let's say that I am citing the Lauda Equino slave narrative. I just copy and paste the link in. I'm going to click Cite It. And it's going to show me kind of whether the source is credible or not. You're going to click the one that matches best with what you're trying to cite. Click Cite This. Scroll down, click Continue to the final step. And then you're going to take a look and see all of these things that are in red. You do need to fill as much of it in as possible, especially this publisher and sponsor blank. So a lot of the information that I have on the documents themselves will give you things that you can use to fill in the blanks. So for example, this says article title. We need an article title. Well, what is the title of this document? It's the excerpt from A Wild Equino. Just going to copy and paste that over or type it in. Want to make sure that it's typed in correctly. And then you are going to, well, find the author, but this is a slave narrative. That means it's a narrative account. That means that the guy who wrote it is a Wild Equino. So you're going to type his name in, first name. It's okay to leave the middle name blank, and then Equino for last name. All right, and then the website title is not going to be this long thing. You're going to delete all of this. Look in the document itself to see if I've got another handier website title for you. And it says right here, publisher, sponsor, and website title. So I'm going to use the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill as my website title and as my publisher because it says I can use it for both. And then for the electronically published date, it's 2001. And it's okay to leave the day blank if you don't have that information and the month blank if you don't have that information. So just check to make sure everything looks good, and then you're going to click Create Citation. It is pretty simple, but a lot of people, they get to this point and then all they want to do is copy and paste this and slap it at the end of their essay. That is not what you want to do. To keep all of the MLA formatting that you want, you're going to want to click this Export button, and you can print it, you can save it to your Google Docs. Either way is good, and it'll keep the formatting for you. Since you're going to just be turning in your essay on Google Classroom, you can go ahead and save it to your Google Docs. And you're going to click Go to Google Docs. And then everything is already set up for you. You can share it with me, but what I really want you to do is when you go to submit your essay, there are options for you to, on Google Classroom, to click Add, and then you can just add your bibliography in and find it from your Google Drive. All right, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it to be helpful and that your sources will look amazing when you turn in your essay on Friday. All right, thank you.